There's a train. Do you just love trains? Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. As you can probably tell from the title, today I am doing a inspired look from Hailee Steinfeld's Met Gala look for 2018. I absolutely loved what she was wearing. I loved her makeup, I loved her hair, I loved the crown. So if you do like this look that I'm wearing now, that is what I'm basically going to show you how to do in the video. So please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here as well. So the first step I'm going to take is taking my Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Moisturiser just to prep my skin. This is currently my favourite moisturiser because, well, I basically changed up my skin routine maybe 6 weeks ago or something, and I mean, like, my skin's still not great, but it's definitely getting better than what it has been for the last couple of years, so I'm really happy with that. So I'm sticking with that moisturiser. So for base I'm using the Bourjois 123 Perfect Foundation. So this has yellow pigments for anti-dark circles, mauve pigments for anti-dull complexion, and green pigments for anti-redness. And as it's like a red carpet look that I'm doing, I thought this would be quite a good one because it is quite full coverage, and also it is going to counteract all of those different colours. I'm just going to pump some of this onto the back of my hand and then use my Real Techniques sponge. I don't know if I bought the wrong sponge when I went into Boots the other day, but this sponge is significantly larger than my last Real Techniques one, which is kind of annoying. I liked the size of the last one. Let me know in the comments down below if you know whether they've just resized it or if I've just been a numpty and picked up the wrong size. I did absolutely love this like makeup look that she wore on the red carpet. That noise is a train. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos filmed in this room, I live basically 3 meters away from a train track, which if you watched my last video with my friend Ella, which I'll link in the comments down below, if you are looking to study English Lit at uni, that's what that was all about. Yeah, in that video, like the most amount of trains went past, like 5 trains in the space of like 20 minutes. I'm now using my Revlon Colour Stay Concealer just under my eyes, and then I'm going to use a different one on like blemishes. And Real Techniques sponge to blend that in again. So now on to any blemishes, I'm just going to use my Lasting Perfection Concealer from Collection. This is basically like the most heavy duty one at the drugstore, Boots, whatever you want to call it, Bells. I was going to put quite a bit on my forehead because it did look like she was quite like highlighty down the centre of her face. And again, I'm just going to use the sponge to blend that in. So next up I'm going to do bronzer, and for bronzer I'm going to use Benefit Hoola. I've just got this mini one that I got in Birchbox last month. I'm just going to start off using this big kind of angled fluffy brush just to actually do the bronzing, because Hailee seems really, I mean her skin's quite tanned anyway, but she looks extremely, well, not like tanned, but she seems quite bronzed in all the pictures I've seen. Also, excuse my like fig tanning fail here. I tried to sort it out, but it just has not reverted to being normal. It's gone kind of patchy. Anyway, next I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette just to contour my cheekbones. I'm going to use this shade down here, which is the lightest contouring. Hailee's hair was kind of in the way of seeing how much contour she had on, so I'm just going to kind of do what I would usually do. Remembering that it is, again, a red carpet look, so she probably had quite a bit on. I feel like no one really covered what she wore. Like on YouTube, no one really reviewed what she wore. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong and link me. When I was trying to look up like pictures and stuff of her, no one seemed to be overly interested, but personally I thought she was one of the best dressed. I'm just going to use my powder brush again just to kind of blend that outfit. For blush, she seemed to have quite heavy blush on. Quite a dark colour too. Most of my blushes are like cheek kind of shades, so I just picked this one, try not to blind you, this one from Rituals, which is in the shade Firebrick, just because it's like the darkest shade I own. And again, it did look like she had quite heavy blush on, so I'm just going a bit heavier than I would normally. A while ago I set like a reminder on my phone to go to the gym, and when I say a while ago I mean months, and every like Tuesday and Thursday it flashes up about, what time is it? I think it's 8 PM saying gym. I ignore it every time. Next up I'm going to do eyebrows, and Hailee's looks quite like feathery, which in all honesty I don't know how to do with mine, so I'm just going to fill them in how I normally do. Using this brush from H&M, I'm going to brush them out first, and then I'm going to use my NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade. Let me know in the comments down below who your favourite Met Gala look was. Mine was definitely Hailey's, but then also Hailey Baldwin looked really nice as well. I did think that Hailey Baldwin and Shawn Mendes were really cute there together though. He was like proper looking after her dress and stuff. It's really sweet. The last thing I'm going to do on the face is use my Tanya Burr Cosmetics highlighter in Champagne Sorbet. Just because this is quite like a nice highlight, and she didn't look like she had much on. Skin was mainly matte. It definitely looked mainly matte, but I like to have a little bit of something. I'm going to start off with a base of the Maybelline Colour Tattoo 24 Hours in On and On Bronze. I'm just literally going to put this all over the eyelid as a kind of base. Obviously I'm going to blend this out so I'm not like being overly careful. Right, so next I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Primal, from my Urban Decay Basics 2 palette. This is my Zoeva Luxe Crease Brush. I'm just going to start this on the outer corner. Pack it on a little bit, my camera. I'm going to take that shade underneath the eye as well. So I think next I'm going to go into my Decay Naked Smoky palette and use the shade Whiskey, which without blinding you with the light is this one down here. It's like the dark brown shade in the palette, which is the only brown shade in the palette. Put that on the same brush and just focus this in the outer V area. Does anyone else find one eye a lot harder to do than the other? I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush just to kind of blend that a bit more, because I'm going to take another brush and take the shade Radar, which is this bronzy shade here, and just go over the main part of the lid with that. I'm now going to go in with that same bronzy shade just underneath the eye a bit on a much smaller brush. This is one of the Real Techniques ones from their eye collection set, just because Hailee definitely had eyeshadow on her lower lash line. Then I'm going to take shade High, which is this one down here, just to highlight the inner corner, because she definitely does look like she's got a bit of highlight on her inner corner. Not too much, just a bit here. Then I'm going to take a brown eyeliner. This one, it's just a pencil one from Rituals, and just run it along the lash line. Then I'm also going to run it in the upper waterline as well, very lightly, just to give something there. Then I'm going to take my Roller Lash from Benefit for mascara. Has become my like holy grail mascara, honestly. I thought I wouldn't move on from their Real, but Roller Lash is definitely way better than their Real. Also, does anyone else find this when you're doing your makeup you kind of get like foundation lips? Because it happens to me every single day. Don't worry, we shall be sorting that out in a minute. I love how I say, are we still recording? 2 seconds later it decides to stop. Now I'm moving on to the lips, and Hailee had quite a dark lip, which I don't normally do. It's quite like a red dark lip. I'm starting off with the Balm Pickup Liner's lip liner in, it doesn't have a name on it, but it's like this reddy shade. I don't know if that's in like the same position as it was before, but I've changed my camera battery and now I'm back and I can finish lining my lips. Also, Hailee's hair was like quite messy in the pictures, so I've kind of just like half curled my hair. I don't know if you can actually tell, just to give it a bit of like volume and mess to it like hers had. I just like rated her whole outfit, her whole... No! Didn't realise at the end of this lip liner actually has a sharpener on the end. Who knew? Not me. So I'm then just going to put another colour on top, which is this Sleek Matte Me in the shade Old Hollywood, which is just a red, dark red. Though it was a dark lip, it looked kind of like a bit lighter in the middle, and I don't really have anything to make it look lighter in the middle, so I'm just going to put this gloss on top from Colourpop in the shade Tame, which is ironic because I bet this lip colour is going to stain my lips. So that is the finished Hailee Steinfeld look. And if you want to go one step further to looking like Hailee did on her Met Gala night, you could also get a little crown. I just got this one off eBay for like £3. I'm also thinking that for my 21st birthday, which isn't for like another 6 months, I might do like a princess themed. That's the finished look, if you can see. Personally, I actually really love the eyes. I'm not too keen on the lips, but that's because I just don't really like dark lips on me. It looked absolutely stunning on her. Yeah, I really like the skin as well actually. I quite like the combination, very bronzy. Let me know if you liked this look in the comments down below. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. At the moment while I'm filming this, I'm 3 subscribers away from 600, so I'd really like to, you know, get to 600, that would be nice. And if you do like my videos, please don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, that way you will never miss one. I'll see you in my next video.